Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms. And right now we'll be discussing about the name attribute for input. I want you to notice one thing. Notice that each input field must have a name attribute to be submitted. If the name attribute is omitted, the value of the input field will not be sent at all. For example, this example will not submit the value of the first name input field. As you can see in our previous tutorial, we have discussed about this. You are seeing right here. I'm still bringing up this topic so you can be able to understand what is going on easily. Let me copy this and take it back to our code in an advanced way. Let's reload our code. This is what we are having in our previous tutorial, and let's remove it and place the other code we have here now. Let's place this one right here and save our document. Let's reload our document. We are having this anwar ayofe. Let me remove it. Let's reload it again. As you can see, it's empty right now. It shouldn't be empty because we have specified one value right here. Let me put ayofe. This ayofe should display. It's not displaying. Why is it not displaying? Why is it not displaying? So let's close it and reopen it. Right? Let's open it again. This is our index file and reopen it with our what? Let's reopen it. Now we are having our, so the reload works. So now we are having our ayofe inside our input right here. Let's do as if we want to submit it. Don't forget, this will not go. Can you see it's not going? So the reason why it's not going firstly is because of this slash, because we are not having a server at all right now that we can direct this to. Now let's do it again after we have removed the slash. Let's reload it and send it. Can you see it's not going to the action underscore page.php? This action underscore page.php is requesting for some stuffs you want to send, so it's expecting something, but you are not sending anything. That's why you are seeing this dot, nothing is there. So everything, so our action underscore page.php is ready to take everything you sent. So now what you need to do is that you inside your input right here, as you can see inside this our input right here, we need to specify name. So name can take anything. You can take go. Let's also write go and come back to our document and reload it. And now let us send our ayofe that we wrote here. Can you see now? Now ayofe go is now entering our action underscore page.php. But let's now say, imagine that you don't have this go inside our name here. Let's save our document. Maybe it will work again. Let me come back here and reload it. Let's send it again. Can you see it's not working? Definitely you must have a name right here. Even if it's only a, you will put place there. You must have something. You must. It's a must. So let's submit it again. Now it's working again. So you should notice this place anytime you are working with scripting languages, scripting and the HTML, so that you will be able to understand what is going on perfectly. Because this is advanced, we are coming from the beginners of the HTML to the advanced level. So I don't want this tutorial to get tired, to make you feel tired. Please, I want you to understand this very well. You should try this in yourself. You are going to understand some tricks also inside this place I'm trying to do. So just try to romance it a little, then you are going to get some tricks from here. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys here. And what akorede ayofe is my name. Don't forget, this name attribute is very important in case you want to work with with scripting language, in case you want to send anything to your scripting language or whatsoever. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye bye. Make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect.